Hi, my name is Keng. I am from Thailand and I am practicing speaking English, and also I am practicing teaching mathematics in English too. So today I will talk about subtraction and adding of fraction. Adding and subtraction of fraction. Okay, when we want to add or subtract fraction from each other, we have to have the same denominator, just like this. If we have 4/7 and add let's say 3/7, oh no sorry, 7, like this, we can do it. We just add 4 by 3 and the answer is going to be 7/7, just like that. But if we don't have the same denominator, we have to make it to be the same. We call it common denominator. So the method that we have to do is, so let's say we have 4/7 and multiply add 3/14. We have to make this denominator 7 to become 14. The way we going to do is we multiply the number on top and on the numerator and denominator, so like this. We want to multiply 2/2, both of them. So we're going to have 4 times 2 is 8, and 7 times 2 is 14. So we're going to have this and plus 14. So next step, we just plus we just add 8 by 3. We're going to have 11/14, just like that. So now we have the answer. But sometimes we cannot multiply each of them to be another of them, just like this. If let's say we have 1/2 and plus 1/3, we cannot find a number that multiply by 2 and it's going to be 3. We cannot find that number, so we have to find another number. That number is have to be the least common multiply. The least common multiply of 2 and 3 is 6. So we have to change these two numbers to be 6. Okay, we multiply this fraction by 3/3. That's going to be 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. And then we going to multiply by 2 to this fraction. So we're going to have 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we have the same denominator, and then we can just add each of them. 3 times 3 plus 2 is 5 and over 6. This the answer. For the subtraction, we just do it the same way we do in about the adding fraction. Let's say we have 3/4 and plus 1/5. So the least common multiply of 4 and 5 is 20. So we need this number 20. We have to multiply what number that we multiply by what number that is going to be 20. That number is 5 over 5, right? So we have 3 times 5 is 15 over 4 times 5 is 20. Now we have this denominator is 20. Next we multiply by 4. That means we have 1 times 4 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Now we have the same denominator, or we have common denominator, and then we just plus it. 15 plus 4 is 19 and over 20, just like that. Oh, I forgot, I would like to subtract it. Okay, just change the from adding to subtraction, just subtract it. Okay, do it again. 15. Now we have the same denominator, we just subtract 15 subtract by 4 is 11 over 20. Okay, now we have the answer. Whatever that we want to do, adding or subtraction, we just need the same denominator. If we have the same denominator, we just adding the or subtraction the denominator, and we got the answer just like that. Okay, I hope you will enjoy it. Bye bye.